Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make Nutella mini pancakes. These light, fluffy, golden brown pancake puffs are absolutely gorgeous. They are also known as Ebelskiver Danish pancakes. They are filled with the cocoa hazelnut goodness of Nutella and are sure to become your new favorite breakfast treat. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for the Nutella mini pancakes. The method: add the egg whites to a mixing bowl and whisk until stiff peaks form. Then set aside for later use. Now take another mixing bowl and add in the egg yolks and the sugar and whisk until well combined. Then add in the vanilla extract and the melted butter and continue to whisk. Then add in the milk and whisk until well combined. Now sift in the baking powder, baking soda, salt, and the all-purpose flour. Give it a mix. And whisk until combined. Finally, add in the whisked egg whites that we had prepared and set aside, and very gently fold it into the batter. Remember, do not overmix because we want the batter to be light, airy and fluffy. And with this, we have prepared the pancake batter. Now fill the batter into a dispenser or a squeeze bottle. Also, heat an Ebelskiver pan and grease it with oil. Then squeeze or spoon the batter into each well up to the 3/4 mark. Then pipe Nutella into the center of each well. Feel free to add as much or as little Nutella as you wish. Then spoon a little batter on top of the Nutella to cover and seal the pancakes. Cook the pancakes until the underside is golden brown, then flip over using 2 skewers. Then cook the other side until golden brown and remove and set aside in a warm place. The alternate option is squeeze the batter into each well up to the halfway mark and pipe Nutella into the center of each well. Then squeeze or spoon more batter over the Nutella up to the 3/4 mark. Cook on both sides until golden brown and remove and set aside and keep warm. Finally, dust with icing sugar and serve immediately, and enjoy with strawberries and a cup of your favorite evening tea. And there you have it, Nutella mini pancakes, also known as Ebelskiver Danish pancakes. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And please subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.